Right, this is what I was drawing yesterday. Inspiration from other people's work and how they see the world. Yeah. Surreal artists use their talents to show how they see the world. Like Salvador Dali tests people in his work. Usually he does it on purpose to make people think how the world is really is. Really inspired me. It was like weird, it's nice. Well, I went to museums, I got inspiration from like other people's work. Did sketches from the museums, like my favourite artists, got some notes. Then I did some layouts. So then I chose my favourite layout, then I put it out then I sketched out on an A1.
Like the sketch that you've done there?
Yeah, like that.
So A1's a movie.
I got all the paints that I needed, like all the shades, like so I could blend it in. Yeah, that's what I did basically, and then build it up in shade, make depth, like make it look real. Yeah. Go on.
How long did it take you to sketch that?
Let me see. How long is it? Any more questions?
What inspired you to that? Follow his type of drawings, isn't it?
Well, I like the weirdness of it. It's showing like the world in these ways. I don't really like normal things. I like something to be a bit weird with a bit of something more interesting. You get me?
Where's that bottom?
What about Kimmy? Look at her.
She's bad. She had to go there.
Yeah.
I don't know. You just got her out of OK magazine, innit?
Yeah, that's good about that shit.